Hi guys, it's Tim from Advanced In-Car Technologies, and today is a slightly different video just because we love the technology here and we've got Nest cameras and all this sort of stuff. So Nest UK have just done an update where you can change themes here in the UK. So we've gone in and chosen the first Christmas theme, so here we go. So that's the first one. Now that sounds a little bit different to the one that I pushed just a second ago. So there is different themes when you, well, there's different doorbell rings when you do it. So that's the Christmas theme. So what we'll do is we'll just quickly stop and we'll change it over to the next one. Popped it onto Hanukkah, so we'll do that one. Do it again because there's a... Do the next one. We'll now change it over to New Year's. Okay, so I've just sent it to New Year's Eve. That's the first one. We'll do the next one. That's quite cool. And we'll just see if there's any more. No, those are the only ones. Okay, so last but not least, we've got the winter theme. So we'll just pop it on. Do it again. See if there's any more. So it seems like there's only 2 new doorbell ringtones for each theme. So we'll probably, seeing as we're coming up to Christmas, leave it on Christmas.